Car accidents and permissive use insurance. In many parts of the United States, car insurance may not cover every single traffic accident that your vehicle may be involved in. The driver of the vehicle that was involved in an accident will need to be named on the insurance policy. They will also need to be listed on the policy by category, such as household member. If the driver is not a household member, they will need to be listed as a permissive user. When someone is listed on the insurance policy, specifically has a household member, that means they live in your home and are either related to the owner of the car by marriage, blood, or adoption. If you share a home with someone, such as a roommate, and you would like them to be listed on your insurance policy, you should check with your automobile insurance provider to see if they can be covered by the policy. If you cannot cover the person under the household member category, you may still be able to list them as a covered driver. Permissive use. When you allow someone to use your vehicle without them being named on your policy. However, you should be aware that not every insurance policy out there will cover you for permissive use. Some insurance companies are happy to provide insurance to drivers who are not listed on your policy, but the coverage may be limited. This means that you should not lend your car to anyone unless you know exactly what your insurance policy covers you for. If your insurance does not cover your vehicle for permissive use, then you may wish to rethink lending your car to someone who isn't listed on your policy. Permissive use coverage exceptions. If you are fortunate enough to have coverage for permissive users, you should be aware that your policy may not cover business uses. However, if you have an endorsement for business use on your insurance policy, then it will be okay. One important thing to note is that if you never drive your car for business, but you lend it to a friend who does, your friend will not be covered by insurance if they have an accident. Another exception to permissive use coverage is used in relation to drivers with little experience or those who do not have a license. If you were to lend your car to a driver who does not have a license and they are involved in an accident, your insurance company is unlikely to pay out. If you lend your vehicle to someone who has very little experience behind the wheel, and they are not a household member, your insurance may try to deny the coverage. The insurance company's likely explanation for denying coverage may involve them mentioning that your premium is based on your driving experience and that of anyone else who is listed on the policy. If the insurance company had been aware that someone with little experience was driving your car, chances are they would raise the premium. Before you lend your vehicle to anyone, it would make sense to find out if they have a driver's license. You should also find out how experienced they are too. Lastly, if you're not sure whether you can allow someone to drive your vehicle, contact your insurance provider ASAP.